In this video clip, we will be attaching our trim to our finished top. I'm going to start by installing my side trim for my top. Now what I'm going to do to install this is glue it, then I'm going to clamp it, then I'm going to put a couple pin nails in just to hold it so I can remove those clamps and move to the other side. Glue it. Make sure you spread the glue around so it holds better. Clamp it. Now when you clamp it, make sure you leave just a little bit of a lip above and below your sheet so we can trim it off smooth later. Pin nail it in place. And then remove the clamps. Continue this procedure for the other side and the front.